there is some guy who is always criticizing you as a person, understand that it's not because you have done something wrong, it's because his life is worst. Hey there, in this video we are going to talk about how to deal with haters and why people tend to hate you when it seems like you have done no mistake. So before I go into all of these things, I quickly want to share a small story which is a personal life experience with which I could learn a lot of things about haters and why they hate you. So this goes back when I was 17 years old, and at that age I won the under-19 Maharashtra State Championship for the very first time. That's the reason people will love me for this achievement and they will like what I did. However, I got a lot of love, but at the same time I got a lot of hate from a lot of people. And I was always wondering, like, what is wrong with these guys? Why can't they celebrate in my happiness? And at that time I didn't know the reason. I thought, like, you know what, maybe I have done something wrong. I have maybe done some mistake. I have maybe done something which is not correct. That's the reason these guys are not happy with my accomplishments, with my achievements. However, now fast forward to today, when I have this maturity, I'm sure it had nothing to do with me. So a key tip, key rule to remember if you are a chess player or if you are in any other field and are getting some hate is haters don't hate you, haters hate themselves. And I want this to sink in for a moment. So we think, oh, you know what, these people are hating me, they're hating me, that means there's something wrong with me, there's something bad with me. Instead of thinking like this, if you look at the other picture, the life of the hater is really bad. He has nothing to show for, no achievements, nothing that he can count on and live on, and that's the reason he hates. Now, am I saying like hating is bad or constructive criticism is bad? Not at all. I love constructive criticism, and sometimes if someone tells me that something is wrong and I need to correct it, I would definitely go on and correct it so that I can go forward and become a better person. But important thing for us to understand is constructive criticism is always about a thing or a habit. It is never about a person. So if there is some guy who is always criticizing you as a person, understand that it's not because you have done something wrong, it's because his life is worst. So next time someone hates you, just give them a big smile and walk away and see how it makes them more jealous, more anxious to find out how you are so calm and cool. So let me know in the comments what is your experience with haters, how do you deal with such haters, and have you ever got such haters in your life? And in the next video, I will tell you something more about haters which will help you overcome this problem forever. So thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.